Hey, it's Josiah. Quick one here. I want to quickly introduce you to this package called codegrip. It has single-handedly made my development of our code so much better. The reason why codegrip is so cool is because with just a single shortcut, I can reshape and restructure my R code to be a lot cleaner and format it with ease. So I just installed a new version of R and not all my packages are available, including this one. So I want to go through how I would install this. So first, we're going to install this R package using remotes. Go into R, we type remotes, install GitHub. Now we're going to install this package. This package contains functions that should be used as an add-in. So we're going to restart our R session. We're going to go to Tools, Add-ins, Browse Add-ins. I'm going to start the keyboard shortcuts. And under Reshape Expression, let's make sure that it has the right shortcut for us. The one that Lionel recommends is Alt-Tab for Mac users, and that's what I've used on my Windows machine at work. I use Shift-Tab. The way to set this is go to Keyboard Shortcuts and click inside this box. If you want to change it to something else, such as Shift-Tab, just type Shift-Tab. I want Alt-Tab. So I'm going to press apply, close this out, restart my R session. And this is how it works. Click inside of a function, press Alt-Tab, and it restructures it. This is amazing. It's game changing. Any function, Alt-Tab, restructures. I find this super helpful for cleaning up my own R code as I go along. Things aren't always the prettiest. Install this and give it a shot. It's quite amazing.